the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in passive income and narrator. What if I told you that with as little as $10 a month, you could start building generational wealth? Investing is no longer just for the rich. With the right strategies, anyone can grow their money even if you're starting with pocket change. In this video, I'll show you how to invest, step by step, the best auto investment apps for beginners, alternative investments you should know about, and how to build the perfect passive income portfolio based on your budget. Whether you have $10, $1,000, or even $10,000 a month to invest, there's a strategy for you. Let's get started. Narrator. Before we dive into investment strategies, let's quickly break down the fundamentals of investing. Understanding how money grows is key to wealth. First, investing is not gambling. Unlike betting, investing involves buying assets that generate real value over time. Second, compounding is your best friend. When you reinvest your profits, your money starts growing exponentially. This is how small investments turn into a fortune over time. Third, diversification protects your money. A well-diversified portfolio ensures that even if one investment underperforms, others will keep you profitable. So, how do you start investing? Even if you don't have much money, that's where auto investment apps come in. Narrator. If you're new to investing, auto investment apps do all the heavy lifting for you. Here are the top 5 best options. Acorns. Invest your spare change. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change for you. Buy a coffee for $4.50. It rounds up to $5 and invests the extra 50 cents. A perfect way to start investing without even thinking about it. Wealthfront robo-investing at its best. Wealthfront builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. It even optimizes your taxes so you keep more of your money. M1 Finance. Best for custom investing. M1 Finance gives you the freedom to choose your own investments, but also lets you automate them. A hybrid approach. Great for beginners and experts alike. Betterment. Smart investing for passive growth. Betterment is a fully automated platform that adjusts your portfolio as the market changes. Set it and forget it. Fidelity Go. Trusted name, low fees. If you want a robo-advisor with the backing of a major financial institution, Fidelity Go is a solid choice. Narrator. YO stocks and ETFs are great. True wealth comes from diversification. Here are 5 alternative investments you should consider. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in real estate. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate deals for as little as $10. Offering passive income from rental profits, peer-to-peer lending. Lending Club and similar platforms let you act like a bank. Earning interest on loans to borrowers. Fractional art investing. Ever wanted to own a Picasso? With Masterworks, you can invest in fine art, a market that often outperforms stocks. Cryptocurrency and blockchain projects beyond Bitcoin. You can earn passive income by staking crypto, yield farming, or investing in blockchain projects. Gold and precious metals, a timeless store of value. Gold and silver hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Narrator. Now, let's break down the perfect passive income portfolio for 3 different budget levels.
का नाम है टूलीफाई। टूलीफाई एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो 23,500 से ज्यादा एआई टूल्स और सर्विस का डायरेक्टरी प्रोवाइड करता है, जो 230 से ज्यादा कैटेगरीज में डिवाइडेड है। यह प्लेटफॉर्म रेगुलर बेसिस पे नए एआई टूल्स और जीपीटी मॉडल्स को अपडेट करता है ताकि यूजर्स को लेटेस्ट एआई रिसोर्सेज मिल सके। एंड टूल्स को अच्छे से कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है, जिससे यूजर्स को अपने काम के लिए सही एआई टूल आसानी से मिल सके। और अगर इतने टूल्स देख के कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, देन तुम सिंपली सर्च बार में भी टाइप करके सर्च कर सकते हो। तुम्हारे कीवर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही तुम्हें टूल्स मिलेगा। अगर किसी एआई टूल्स के लिए तुम इधर उधर यूट्यूब में घूमते रहते हो, देन ये टूल तुम्हारे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल हो सकती है। हाँ तो भाई, इतना ही था आज के वीडियो में। तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कैसा लगा नए नए टूल्स को एक्सप्लोर करके। अगर किसी टूल के ऊपर डिटेल्ड वीडियो चाहिए, देन कमेंट कर देना। और अगर इस वीडियो का पार्ट 2 चाहिए तो कमेंट में पार्ट 2 कमेंट कर देना। तो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए।
53% of you are planning to make a New Year's resolution about money, finance and investing this year because you want financial freedom and financial security. So we went through every conversation we've had about money, personal finance and investing, and we found the most replayed and most shared moments from those conversations for you. Everything from life-changing advice on saving, spending, investing, tax, crypto, buying a house and having a money mindset.
The most expensive thing that all of us are paying for is the information that we don't know. So how do you make the most money humanly possible? It's two things.
Let me tell you a few key basic things about investing in money.
It's going to lead to an amount of success that will literally put you in the top 5% of investors.
And never have to worry about money again. If you listen to this conversation, we believe your money goals will come true in 2025. So take notes.
Man on TikTok is now possible. Just turn on this TikTok feature and you start making money every single month just by doing this. So you got your TikTok. Once you got your TikTok, you press this arrow for this very video that you're watching right now. Then you tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, you're going to tap on profile. When you tap on profile, you're going to tap on options right here. When you tap on options, you're going to tap on TikTok Studio. Once you tap on TikTok Studio, you're going to see different options: subscription, video gifts, work with artists, and live gifts. So tap on subscription. Once you tap on subscription, you can see you can make money depending on the number of subscribers that you have, right? If you have 0 subscribers, you make $0 a month. If you have 1.5 million subscribers, you can make over 3 million a month. So just turn on this TikTok feature, and what you're eligible, TikTok will let you know you're eligible, and you start to make money with this TikTok feature. If you want to make money on TikTok, just comment "I'm interested" in the comments to show you how. And if you want to know exactly how to find this feature on TikTok and start to make money with it, just go to my YouTube. When you go to YouTube, you're going to search for Mavis Digital and you watch this video, 0 to 2 million a month on TikTok.
If you don't earn enough money to cover an emergency £1,000 bill, you don't earn enough. And I know, unfortunately, that's true for most people, because the majority of us are just stuck in normal 9-to-5 jobs where we're just underpaid and overworked, because we think we don't have any other choice. There is a way to have savings in the bank like that, and a hell of a lot more. I have literally found the golden ticket to financial freedom this year, and it costs less than the price of your monthly phone bill to get started. And the earning potential is crazy. Even with minimal effort, you're still going to make money. It's a win-win. And it doesn't involve selling any courses or any drop shipping, nothing like that. So if you want to make money online and be financially free this year, just drop me a message or put a comment down below and I'll get back to you.
People are already paying for services like copywriting, video editing, graphic design, and content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway ML can do all of this for free. You just act as the middleman, offering services and using AI to deliver them. People are already paying for services like copywriting, video editing, graphic design, and content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway ML can do all of this for free. You just act as the middleman, offering services and using AI to deliver them.
If you want to future-proof your career and increase your salary by up to 47%, you need to learn these AI skills in 2025. And I've got the official stats to back it up. So according to the 2025 Career Skills Report by Coursera and the industry data from Amazon Web Services, AI skills are in massive demand. 75% of companies are already using generative AI, and 73% of employers are making AI skills a priority, but they can't find enough talent, and that's where you come in. Here are the top 10 AI skills that will skyrocket your earning potential in 2025. But first, save this video for later, smash that plus button, and do the other algorithm things to let it know that you want more videos like this one. 1. Generative AI, creating AI-powered content like text and images. 2. Artificial neural networks, teaching AI to think like a human brain. 3. Computer vision, making computers see and understand images. 4. PyTorch, a powerful machine learning library. 5. Machine learning, the backbone of AI decision.
Here's how you're going to make some fuck you money in 2025 without selling shit. No selling products, no buying digital courses to sell courses, no MLM, no bugging your friends and family. None of that bullshit. Sounds good? Stick around.
This is the hottest side hustle right now. It's super easy and no one's talking about it.
You know what every company's doing right now? Memberships. Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Disney, the list can go on. But the problem is, they don't pay you back. But that is all about to change. For the first time, you can grab a piece of this $1 trillion industry and make money from it. And no, you don't have to invest in products or programs or any of that bullshit. This is literally a wholesale membership club. It's $9.95 a month, okay? That's less than what you'd spend on a trashy Uber Eats order. And guess what? As long as you pay your membership, you get paid. Think about it. Imagine when Netflix started, right? They gave you an affiliate link and said everyone that you introduce with your affiliate link and everyone after you, you get paid for life. They have nearly 300 million subscribers. We'd be fucking millionaires. This is your chance to get a slice of this pie. And if you're still here and you want to know info, like, share, pop your favourite emoji in here and I'll send you the information.
Man on TikTok is now possible. Just turn on this TikTok feature and you start making money every single month just by doing this. So you got your TikTok. Once you got your TikTok, you press this arrow for this very video that you're watching right now, then you tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, you're going to tap on profile. When you tap on profile, you're going to tap on options right here. When you tap on options, you're going to tap on TikTok Studio. Once you tap on TikTok Studio, you're going to see different options: subscription, video gifts, work with artists, and live gifts. So tap on subscription. Once you tap on subscription, you can see you can make money depending on the number of subscribers that you have, right? If you have 0 subscribers, you make $0 a month. If you have 1.5 million subscribers, you can make over 3 million a month. So just turn on this TikTok feature, and what you're eligible, TikTok will let you know you're eligible and you start to make money with this TikTok feature. If you want to make money on TikTok, just comment "I'm interested" in the comments to show you how. And if you want to know exactly how to find this feature on TikTok and start to make money with it, just go to my YouTube. When you go to YouTube, you're going to search for Mavis Digital and you watch this video, 0 to 2 million a month on TikTok.